Today we're diving into an incredible journey through Acts chapters 17 to 20. Picture this: Paul, an unstoppable apostle, wanders through lands filled with diverse beliefs, sharing teachings that revive faith, challenge traditions, and spark revolutions. Starting in Acts 17, Paul finds himself in Thessalonica, where his passionate sermons persuade some Jews and many Greeks. But not all are thrilled. Verse 5 notes, "The Jews were jealous, so they rounded up some bad characters." His tension pushes Paul to Berea, where his message is met with eagerness. Yet again, trouble follows, driving him onward.
In Athens, Paul encounters the epitome of philosophy. Addressing the Areopagus, he masterfully connects their altar to an unknown god to the true God. Verse 28 illuminates his dialogue. "In him we live and move and have our being." Athens is left both intrigued and divided.
Acts 18 lands Paul in Corinth. Here, he meets Priscilla and Aquila, fellow tent makers, and his message continues resonating with Jews and Gentiles alike. What stands out here is Paul's courage, embodied in verse 9, where the Lord tells Paul, "Do not be afraid. Keep on speaking. Do not be silent." This pushes Paul to remain steadfast amidst adversities. By the time we reach Acts 19, Paul arrives in Ephesus. He performs awe-inspiring miracles that elevate his reputation. Significantly, in verse 19, a number who had practiced sorcery brought their scrolls together and burned them publicly. This marks a powerful symbol of transformation and new faith. Our journey pauses in Acts 20. Against the backdrop of his travels, Paul conducts a touching farewell with the Ephesian elders, encapsulated by verse 24. "I consider my life worth nothing to me. My only aim is to finish the race." This speaks volumes of Paul's mission-driven spirit. Through these chapters, themes of resilience, transformation, and faith unfold. From embracing new beliefs to standing firm against opposition, Acts 17 to 20 invites us to reflect on how these timeless lessons echo in our lives today. Curious about what else awaits? Dive into these passages for a journey that promises more than just history. It's a story that captivated hearts then and continues to do so now.